See, that's real extra. Do everybody, it's your man Tulika coming to you back with another quick and easy application you can do on your truck. And all that is how to change your regular OEM badges off your truck. Up in here, see if they shipped out that was fast. Yes, they did. They got to change them and put new ones on. If you're interested in watching that happen, stay tuned. What to do, everybody? It's your man Tulika coming to you back with another vlog. Today what we're doing today is getting ready to do a simple modification in regards to showing you how to change the badges off of your vehicle. I'm gonna change some of my vehicle badges. I got my reloaded hats from Omi and a Hellcat. If you haven't seen him, he's a big YouTuber. I support him, love what he do, trying to get just like him and beyond. So check him out, go buy some Reloaded merch. Soon you will be able to get some merchandise here as well. We're getting ready to design our own special logo. You'll get some of that information in the next coming videos. But if you're interested in learning how to change your OEM badges off your truck, real easy and simple, even off your car, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. I'm checking around the house. You know, I believe I got my package delivered. It's kind of cold down here in Texas. We had a nice little cold front happen. And, you know, it's like, I think it's 30 something. That's cold down here in Texas. So, yeah, we're going to do that. Oh, I got it. See, check it out. Got my package from Amazon Prime. We're gonna see what that is. You know, I will be changing my regular old Z71 badges off. I'm gonna change them up. This is what they look like now. Those black and white ones off, and change them up to some different ones. They're the same. If you look on any Chevy Silverado, you'll see the same type of badges, but I'm going to change them up, off, and we're going to get this on. Where's my trusty blade? We're going to change it up a little bit, you know. We're going to get this on real quick. I got to find my heat gun too, because the things you need to change your badge is simple. You need a heat gun. You need either fish line or dental floss. What we're using today is going to be a heat gun and dental floss. Simple. You could get one of those nice little erasers for your truck that erase the sticky stuff off your truck. And you know what I'm talking about when I get to that point. Got to put some windshield wash in there to winterize the truck for a future trip I'm getting ready to do. Let's crack this baby open. See, that's real extra. Don't look it, but it is. That's what we got up in here. See if they shipped out different things out of how I actually ordered. That was fast too. Ooh. Yes, they did. I wanted the red interior and the black exterior. As you can see, it's gonna look real nice. Red and black, that goes with the theme. It matches the tow hooks. Black and red accent on Black Knight. I'll be on and pop and show you what these is. It's huge. compared to, I think the other one. These are maybe a little bigger. A little bit bigger. I'm the same. No, it look like an inch longer. The other ones maybe, yeah, a little inch longer. So we're gonna take these and do a quick little setup on them and get it done. So this modification not gonna take too long, and I'm glad about that because it is cold outside. It's cold outside. As I got my equipment, I found my heat gun, got my trusty dental floss. That's what I'm gonna use. So the procedure is grab your heat gun, heat the emblem you're gonna do, and take off. Then once you do that for around a minute or so, then go behind it with this fine thread shimmy like a little saw, and it'll come off and it'll release. Then you clean up the residue. Then you wait a little bit, make sure it's clean and pressed. Then you put on the new said emblem. Boop. That's it. That's it. Emblems are real good. Crack them open, slide it. Get that 3M coating on the back, slide it in, boop, and release it and get it going. So let me set it up. Ooh, now this heat gun is real hot and dangerous. Quick with it. It's cool out here, so it might take a little extra time to do it. To where it'll come off easily. Mm, 50% done. When you take it off, you have the residue of that 3M sticky stuff. And now you see this right here, the shadow with the outline of the emblem. What I have right here is McGuire's mirror glaze, and it'll help you clean that surface areas, remove the surface defects and little oxidation too. I do have that. And a little elbow grease, and got it cleared off. So now that's a clean surface to put the new one up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you in hyper mode. See, that cleared it up real easy. You know, maybe it helped a little bit too because it's cold out here. So I was easy to rub the rubber sticky stuff off with my thumb a little easier. But that McGuire's, and I'm not being sponsored, but that McGuire's glaze sure did help out once I got it out. And I use this instead of the dental floss. I use this. It's like that stretchy material you have, the string you can get for the new mask that we would be wearing. I got a spool of that, so I use that to cut behind that. So I'm gonna begin the process again. I'll put it in time lapse. Let's go. All right, mission accomplished. We got the old emblems off and we're set to put the new ones on in their place. So check this out. Clean as a whistle. Heat gun, string, A little elbow grease goes a long way, both sides. Both sides are ready. Clean. Okay. It's time to get the old emblems away and put the new ones on. Right? I like cracking new things open. Simple, easy, professional. The only thing is, you want to make sure you're set and ready to go before you place it on that vehicle, because once you do, it's stuck. That 3M tape is stronger than you think. It bonds real quickly. Time to get these puppies on. Get these puppies on. I like it like that. You can see it in the light. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. Is match that black and red I got on my tow hooks. Goes with the theme. Black and red, black and red. We're keeping it moving. Moving and popping. Happy with that. I got it. Goes in the trash. Whew. Man, I like when a plan works out. But boy, I didn't know it was gonna. I knew it was gonna burn real quick. But dang, I barely put it on there. Then snook. Stayed right there. So I got to be extra careful with the other side too. I think the whole process took me, well, maybe 30 minutes. But for you, maybe 10, 15 minutes. But yeah, so it comes with the emblem like this. The 3M is protected with that plastic. And once I take that off, boy, it bond real quickly. So, yeah. And that, my friends, is a mission accomplished. Let you see it in the background. Boop. Got that black and red thing going on. Got it again over here. So, if you did like this content, it's short and sweet and to the point, hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time, same bat channel. Black Knight getting his wheels. I believe next week my wheels and my tires will be in. Can't wait to get them on accent. So stay tuned. Hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell anytime, every time I upload.